Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. Look, this is a Forsage update, day 5, and I got some good news for you today. Well, at least on my behalf. Look, let's just jump right into the screen. Let's get it. All right, look, you see the same $6 here. You say, man, you just had that same $6 yesterday. Yes, but I got 2 more referrals, and I'm going to tell you how this works, okay? Boom. I got 2 more referrals here. You see it, and I gave y'all the update, so y'all know those dots wasn't right there, all right? So check this out. So pretty much somebody asked me this yesterday or mentioned this yesterday on one of my comments, and they were referring to, hey, I'm trying to position myself to get somebody who has overflow so I can just pretty much receive Ethereum just for being at the right place at the right time. So what do I mean by that? Okay, let me explain this in layman terms because I don't want to lose anybody. All right. In this system, this is a referral based platform. Okay, so pretty much on Forsage X3, those are for people who are directly referred by me. Okay, so pretty much those blue positions are going to be filled by people who are referred by me. All right, pretty simple, right? Okay, cool. Forsage X4, however, it can be people that I referred by me, or it could also be people that get some overflow. What does overflow mean? That means whoever I signed up, they have so many positions filled up that it has to go down somewhere. Okay, so it has to trickle down and spill over somewhere. Okay, so from that standpoint, you actually have bottom overflow. Okay, a partner who was ahead of the inviter. These are just letting you know that if you do not have the slots, okay, that the positions will be filled, or if your positions are too full, the positions will be filled by the next person in line. Okay, so that's pretty much, people actually use this strategy to position themselves under people that they figure are going to be successful with this, and then they just sit back and cash in on Ethereum. All right, so let me just give you a little bit more breakdown of how this works without being more maybe I'll get more in depth later, but I don't want to lose anybody. Okay, so this one's for direct referrals. As a matter of fact, let me go to this information tab and go to instructions, and I'm just going to go to one particular spot on here, and so we can kind of get a little bit more clarity. Okay, so this is X3. Okay, walk with me. I'm gonna go back so you can see this is X3, right? This is X3. All right, and this is the X3 position a little more in depth. Okay, so I have 3 positions here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. On the X3 has different slots, but every slot has these 3 positions. Okay, so the first slot right here, the first referral partner takes a place under you. 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. So that first $6 or 0.025 of Ethereum went right to my wallet here. Okay, so a second person signs up, and guess what? Referral partner takes place second place below you. Payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. So that means this payment will go directly to my wallet as well. And this third payment, all right, that somebody comes up under me, will just automatically be reinvested to start the slot over again. You say, Cornez, what does that mean? Well, look, okay, here's what happens. This 0.025 or any of these slots only have 3 positions. Okay, so pretty much you refer 1 person, you refer 2 people, and on the third referral, instead of having to pay for the 0.025 again, you're just restarting in this position. All right. Now, however, as you can see over here, once you get to this position, right now, if you want to level up based on the Ethereum that you have received, you can level up, and this process is pretty much the same. Okay, rewind that, play it back, or drop down in the comments if you don't really get what I'm saying there. Okay, so first person goes directly to your wallet. Second person goes directly to your wallet. The third person in this slot is actually going to reset you, and now you're going to be looking to fill these positions open again. Okay, all right, and this goes the same with everything on X3. So if we actually look at X4, it's a little more in-depth, but I do not want to lose anybody. So let me see if I can break this down. All right. So you can see 3, 4, and 5, right, are the same color as this one, which means that positions 3, 4, and 5, you're actually going to get paid for. Okay. So let me backtrack a little bit more. This is Forsage X4. All right. And this is Forsage X4. So when I'm referring to these positions, these are the same positions that we're looking at on this next page here. All right. So the first 2 positions, partners who take 2 places below you in the first line are 2 places in the second line, or are 2 places in the second line of the higher. Hey, this is all you need to know. 100% payment goes to the wallet of your higher partner. So who you signed up under, okay, right? These first 2 positions will go to them. All right. And now the next 3 positions here here, and here will actually be going straight to your wallet, while just like the first one, the last position will restart this cycle over. Okay, just like the last position started this cycle over. Okay, got it. All right. The first one for Forsage X3 is for direct referrals. Okay, position 1, position 2. All right, goes directly to your wallet. Position 3 in this slot will start that cycle over again, and you'll start actually receiving 1 and 2. Third starts the cycle over again. Okay, Forsage X4, which is for spillover, things like that. You can actually, the first 2 slots, since it is overflow, that most of the time, boom, boom, goes up. Then 3, 4, and 5 goes directly to your wallet. Then 6 right here starts that cycle over again. So I don't want to keep reiterating to lose anybody. Hopefully that made sense. But I just wanted to make that video and let you know. The reason why I only have $6 or 0.025 is because guess what? In these positions, I'm waiting on somebody to get here and here and here. Then next thing you know, boom, that'll be going to me. That'll be going to me. That'll be going to me or my wallet. All right. So this is the thing. You can get in on this, or you don't have to. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this is what I'm doing because I see the vision. It's just getting started. You got 487,000 people, over 12,000 people are joining in the past 24 hours. You see that money being circulated, or the Ethereum being circulated, worth of 76 million USD. Okay, so keep in mind, you don't have to do something like this. I know it doesn't resonate with everybody, but I would say definitely take the time to figure out where you need to be placing your fiat currency to exchange it for something that deems value to you. All right, this is something that I'm doing for me and my team. And if you're interested, you can actually click the link below to get on my team and get in the private Facebook group where we're going to be sharing and building with each other to help you out along the way. All right. So with that being said, look, ain't no promises, ain't no guarantees. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But don't let something just be right up under your nose, right? And you miss this opportunity. I'm telling you, we're in the digital age right now. At minimum, figure out some way to exchange. I don't care if you're buying gold and silver. I don't care if you're buying land. You got to have something valuable, because this fiat money, this physical money that with nothing backing it is going away. All right. So now is the time to take advantage of your situation by understanding this digital currency game. OK, if you go to crypto.com and put a link in below by that, you can actually purchase exchange your money for cryptos. That's the mindset we got to start having. We're not buying this stuff. We're exchanging it. OK, we're exchanging. I even got to tell myself that sometime. All right. We're just exchanging the same way I would go exchange my dollars for Canadian dollars if I'm going to Canada, because I want to be moving with the currency that the people using. I want to make it hard for people. I want to be, if I'm over here in the community or wherever I'm at, okay, let me rock in a system. The system we in right now is the digital space. So I'm not telling you to go get Ethereum, go get Forsage, go get Bitcoin, go get the USD coin. But I would say look into it and make an informed decision. CoinMarketCap.com has the top 100 cryptocurrencies currently right now. Anyway, you're too smart to be broke. Sign up if under me, and you can get with the team, or not. Just watch the show and watch me run it up. It's all on you. You know what I'm saying? Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?